Good day, learners. In today's video, I'm going to teach you about regular and irregular polygons. So, tuturuan kita kung ano ang difference ng regular at irregular polygon. Kung hindi mo pa napanood yung previous videos natin about polygon, kailangan mo munang panoorin yon para mas maintindihan mo ang difference ng regular at saka irregular. So without further ado, let's start. Okay, in the end of this video, you are going to differentiate regular from irregular polygon. So let's start. In the last video, ito yung mga classification ng polygons na napag-aralan natin. So we can classify them according to the number of sides and angles. So we have the three-sided polygon from triangle up to the n-gon. Depende sa kung ilan ang sides ng polygon at kung ilan yung angles niya. But in today's lesson, ang classification natin ay naka-base sa pagiging regular or irregular. First, ano nga ba ang regular polygon? So, hindi ko muna ibibigay ang definition ng regular polygon. Bibigyan ko lang muna kayo ng example. Okay? So, ano ba ang example ng regular polygon? Ito. So, we know that this is a square. Okay? So, ano ba ang karakteristik ng isang square? Yan. So, ito yung tanong. What do you think make a square or what do you think makes square a regular polygon? So, again, let's wear our thinking cap. Isipin muna natin. Remember, ang videong ito ay tuturuan ka kung paano mag-isip. So, try to think, ano yung karakteristik ni square at bakit siya regular? Okay? So, tignan mong mabuti ano ba yung mga itsura ng kanyang sides, mga angles. So, try to think of it. Okay, kung meron ka ng sagot, let's see. Okay, you might say that all sides are equal in length. Okay, you are correct. Lahat ng side ng square ay pantay-pantay. Okay, pwede. Ano pa? You might also say that all angles are equal in measure. Yes, you are also correct. Actually, we have terms for this. Pag sinabi nating equal lahat ng length, ang tawag natin dyan ay equilateral. Okay? From the word equal, and then lateral, which means side. So, equal sides. Next one, we also have equiangular, meaning equal and then angular, which means angle. So, yes, these are angles that are equal in measure. Okay? So, a square is equilateral and at the same time, equiangular. Ano pa ba ang example ng equilateral and equiangular? Let's see. So, we have here the equilateral shape. Anong tawag po natin dyan? If you remember, we actually call this rhombus. Okay? So, ang rhombus, kung titingnan nyo, okay, meron siyang equal sides. Yan. Pantay-pantay yung mga sides niya. And by the way, if we're going to write here markings na pare-pareho, it means that they are equal. Kung makita nyo ang isang polygon na merong mga markings like this, ang tawag natin dito ay mga hash marks. At kung pare-parehas ang marking, it means that they are equal. Okay? So, pare-parehas na tigi-isang guhit, ibig sabihin pantay-pantay yung mga sides niya. So, a rhombus is an equilateral polygon. However, tingnan niyo yung mga angles niya. Do you think the angles are also the same? Pare-parehas kaya yan? No, they are not. So, these two angles are the only similar, and these two angles are also similar. So, yan, hindi siya equiangular, but it's only an equilateral. How about example of equiangular? Okay, tignan natin. We have here a rectangle. Okay? So, this is an equiangular. Why? Because, okay, kung may markings man ito, yan, pare-parehas dapat. So, if you see this marking, it means it's 90-degree angle. Ibig sabihin, it's a right angle. So pare-parehas po ng 90 degrees ang angle ng isang rectangle, but it doesn't mean that it is also an equilateral. Why? Because the sides are not all the same. Yan. So those are examples of equilateral and equiangular polygon. But if we go back to the square, we can see that this is both an equiangular and equilateral polygon. So kapag ganun ang karakteristik, yan na po yung tinatawag nating regular polygon. So again, a regular polygon is both equilateral and equiangular. Yun po ang tandaan natin, ha? Regular polygon, parehas na ang mga sides at ang mga angles ay equal. What else? When polygons are regular, we just add the term regular to its name. Halimbawa po ay pentagon. Kung ito po ay regular, we just write regular before the word pentagon. So we can call it regular pentagon. Pwede ring regular hexagon. Okay? Kung 7-sided naman, regular heptagon. What else? Some regular polygons have special names. Itong 4-sided regular polygon, ang tawag po natin dyan ay hindi regular quadrilateral, but rather we can just call it square. Okay? Ang 3-sided regular polygon naman ay hindi natin tatawaging regular triangle, but rather equilateral triangle. Sir, akala ko ba both dapat parehas na equilateral at saka equiangular? Hindi po ba? Yes, you are right. Pero sa triangle kasi, kapag pantay-pantay ang mga sides, it means na yung angles niya pantay-pantay din. Okay? Because in a triangle, if 3 sides of a triangle are equal, the angles opposite to those sides are also equal. Kaya po siya equilateral triangle. Okay? So let's continue. Now, ano naman ang mga irregular polygon? Okay, first, an irregular polygon can have different measurement in terms of sides and angles. Okay? So ano yung mga examples natin here? Yan, meron tayong isang quadrilateral, but as you can see, hindi po pantay-pantay ang kanyang mga sides and angles. Okay, so this is an irregular quadrilateral. Alright? Next one. We also have here a polygon. Ilan po ang kanyang side? Meron siyang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is an irregular heptagon. Hindi po pantay-pantay yung sides and angles. And lastly, we have here a polygon with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So a hexagon, but hindi po siya regular. Okay? So these are all examples of irregular polygon. And kanina, yung sa regular polygon natin, I hope meron po kayong natutunan. That's the end of our video for today. And please watch the other videos for the next lesson. Thank you for listening. Kung meron kang natutunan sa video na ito, please click the subscribe button to support this channel para mas matulungan ulit kita sa mga susunod mo pang math lessons. Lagi mong tatandaan, ang math ay para sa lahat. At ako si Teacher Van, nagsasabing dito sa Math Isip, lamang ang nag-iisip. God bless and see you on the next video. Bye-bye.